Hey folks, we are live at 8:56 p.m. and we're running a 3-winner battle, which I believe is colorfully called Peter's 3-prize vintage battle. So it looks like the top 3 are winners here. It looks like I got 100 spots as well that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners on a Friday night. There they are, 1 through 100. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 and a 3, so I am rolling again. We got a 5. All right, let's rock. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Chris, and Michael, round 1. Rob, Hans, and Ben, round 2. Steve, Ben, and Ben, round 3. Hans, Ben, and Ben, round 4. And our winners are Matt Johnson, Ben Ryall, and Chris Melanchuk. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification and official results. ZURRNC. There's our winners. And you know what? That means I'm done. At 8:57 p.m. There you have it. Again, here's the official results and the winners. Congratulations, guys. See you next time.